welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And listen, I got another awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. This is a nice premium analog watch face that's going to be worthy of being on your wrist and worthy of being in your lineup. Now this watch face is going to be free for the taking. You know how I do. I love to bring you nothing but the very best. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out this awesome watch face. Now this is pretty much like a 6-in-1 watch face after we get through with this, if not 7. All right, so let's take a look at it. Now the name of the watch face is called 78 Degree North Black. Definitely it has a good look and the always on mode for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. You are going to get a similar look. It's going to slightly differ from one another, but you still will be able to see your analog time at a glance with no problem. All right, let's dive in and take a look at the watch face itself. Now up at the top you are going to get the logo of the developer, which wasn't a bad touch at all. You're going to get 3 sub dials, along with the fact that you're going to get a traditional / modern look so far as the watch face is concerned. Now in the sub dial right here, you're going to get your step status info, you're going to get your battery info next to it, and down at the bottom you will get your heart rate information, and they got the information also written down right up under each sub dial, which I thought was pretty cool. You get your date right here, and you get shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch. So this watch face is definitely feature packed. You can get your weather, you can get your text messages, go into your settings, and you can get your music, and also you can pull up your calendar, set an event if you so choose. But that's not the gist of it all, right? Let's get to the meat of the matter. Now you can customize this watch face. So if I tap on the 9, I can get rid of 1 dial, then you'll see magic down at the bottom. I tap on it again, I can get rid of 2 dials. Now you have new icons that takes the place of those sub dials, and yes, it is interactive, so if you tap on either one, you can go in and extract the information that you're seeking. Now, if I hit it one more time, I can get rid of those icons as well, which I thought was pretty cool. If I come over here and I tap on the 3, I can get rid of some more information. Now, you're wondering about these shortcuts that's going around the bezel of the watch. If I tap on the 12, it gets rid of everything. So it gives you that traditional analog look so far as the watch face is concerned. And yes, again, it stays in the black and white theme, but I thought this was definitely an awesome look, especially considering that the watch face is free. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.